unboxing of Google Home Starter Kit, which has Home Mini and then a G light bulb and then also a Nest Hub. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, welcome to Review Channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Google Home Starter Kit and the Nest Hub. So in the starter kit, you'll get a Google Home Mini and then a GE light bulb. And let me start off with opening this first. So it has a complete sealed packaging, so it has a transparent clear packaging on top. So I'm going to remove that first, and then you'll see what all it has in the box. So this is a kit that I've bought it in the US. So and this is something that we can use in India also. But the GE light bulb will not probably need a power adapter so that it can reduce the voltage that we currently have in India, because that doesn't mention anything on the 240 volts support. So in the box, they have some paperwork to start off, and then there is this Google Home Mini straight away that you can see. That's the box of Google Home Mini, and then the G light bulb. So this light bulb is a warm color, so and also it's a 9.5 watt bulb, which is somewhere equivalent to 60 watt incandescent bulb, and this is somewhere around 760 lumens. So if you want to know that too, and an extra packaging just to make sure that the boxes don't roll. This doesn't have anything in it, so let me just open and show you. So this is just an empty box. So I'm going to keep all this away and then show you what actually comes inside the box. Let me start off with the bulb first. So this is a pretty straightforward. This is not going to have anything fancy in it. So it's going to look exactly like a bulb. And then this is an E27 fit, so it's a screw type model. And this one is slightly heavier. And also I've checked all the information that's put on the bulb and then the box. So it only supports 110 volts. So that means you would need a step down converter to have this work in India. And this is a bulb that needs some settings, so you can download the C by GE app and then configure it so that it can work with multiple voice assistants. So you can use Alexa or Google HomePod. So let me open up the Home Mini. So it's a simple wrapping that they've done, so you can just open it up, and that's the device itself, and it has a sleep wake button at the back and then a reset button. So it's a nice packaging and some paperwork they've put inside. So this is a pretty nice voice assistant from Google, and then this is very small, and this is more in line with the Echo Dot version. So their main competition is with Echo Dot, and this is the charger cable. As I mentioned, this is a US adapter, so you might need a converter for this. And this is a mini USB, so you can use any of your mini USB cables to connect it. So this is simple enough, and let me start off turning on the device. And to enable this Google Home Mini, you need to have the Google Home app. So you need to download that app from the Play Store or App Store, or you can also do the setup from desktop also. So that is also possible. So let me do the setup for this on my phone. It is pretty straightforward, and I'll open up the Google Home Hub or the Nest Hub in the meantime. Okay, so similar kind of packaging. So they've gone for a transparent wrapping on this too, and then this has multiple support, and this is having a 7-inch LCD screen, and then this is not with any camera or anything. So this only has a light sensor and a couple of far field microphones, so that this can also pick up all the instructions that you give really well. So let me remove the wrapping. Okay, so right, so you just straight away see the device itself. So I've got a charcoal color, so that is what I preferred because I don't want it to get very dirty. And Also, they have done a screen protector film on it, so we'll remove that later, see what's all in the box. So let me pull this out, and looks like some more paperwork similar to what we had in Google Home Mini. And I'm gonna keep this away, and then let's see. This should be the charger. So similar to Google Home Mini, they have gone the same adapter, but the power jack is different, and this is something that specific for this device. So you cannot use any other charging cables. So that's the packaging to make sure that the device fits in the box properly. So let me go ahead and then remove all the protective film on the device. So this Google Nest or Home Hub is a 7-inch screen, and then this has pretty good speakers. So and also you can do a lot of things in this by connecting this to the bulb also. So once you have the GE bulb connected, so you can control it with the same two different devices also. So it straight away syncs in when you log in with the same Google Home account. So that is pretty neat. And then so that you can connect with any of the Google Echo devices, and then you can use them to control all the connected smart devices that you have at home. So to start off with, it gives you instructions. So you might need a laptop to start. So as I mentioned, you can do it by browser or from the applications also, but it is mostly going to push you into the downloading of the application. So you need a mobile app to start off. So first they're going to ask to do an update. So you might need to get the updated framework or the firmware, like they call. So that let's get the updates first and then see what all the instructions it gives. And the setup is finished, and it's gonna come up with some information on what all you can do. So you can see the weather, you can see all your appointments, and if you have your routes that you take every day, it'll show you on the mornings how long it's going to take to work or something, and the YouTube videos that you can see. And also it is pretty neat, and then it can be on your home, where you can keep it as a picture frame, and then it will show the time. And also it has the controls if you have a Nest camera or a compatible camera, so that you can connect it and then also use it to see your videos that you can stream. And it has the buttons, like I mentioned, the button to make it mute so that it won't listen to you, and also the volume rocker. So like I mentioned, ambient sensor and two microphones, and this goes as a good picture or frame so that you can use it also. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show today. So this is a pretty neat devices. So these are the smart devices that we can look at and then use. And I will do an in-depth review on how I connected all the devices that I have. Until then, it's Review Channel signing off. Thank you.